Idiom meaning similar people tend to gather. I've got a phrase in Japanese that I want to translate. The original Japanese is as follows, Nohan the Linramama Lanre. The meaning is that similar people are naturally drawn to and group with each other. The literal translation would be, cows are with cows and horses with horses. This works fine, and I think gets the point across, but if there is an English idiom of similar meaning, I would prefer to use that. Is there a commonly used idiom with this meaning?
The proverb birds of a feather flock together would be the ideal equivalent. People who have similar interests, ideas, or characteristics tend to seek out or associate with one another.
Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together is an English proverb. The meaning is that beings, typically humans, of similar type, interest, personality, character, or other distinctive attribute tend to mutually associate. Of a feather can even be used on its own to mean MW.com. Of the same kind or nature, very much alike. You and he certainly are of a feather. This means you are very much alike, the same kind of person.
You understood.